Hello and welcome to another episode of Divina's Recipes for Life. This one here is something called a Yachaejeon. It's a very interesting recipe. It's from Korea, all the way from Korea. One of the very few vegetarian things you can get over there is this beautiful vegetable pancake, and this is very interesting because it's not only vegan and easy to make, it's very delicious as well. This one is unique because it also contains chickpea flour or besan. Now again, that's my touch, that's not something that they do, but it will make for a very nutritious breakfast with various vegetables of your choosing. I chose some nice simple ones over here, but you can use anything you like. If you wish to make it high protein, you can even add some tofu. I have about 60 grams of carrots grated and 60 grams of cabbage also grated. That's quarter cup and quarter cup each. Altogether, that'll give you half cup. And also add half a zucchini, in which you're going to cut into thin strips. And also 2 to 3 tablespoons of spring onion cut into thin strips. Spring onion you can add as much as you like. That's the star of the show. So you're going to mix all this and then keep that aside. Now in a small bowl, you're going to take about 60 grams of all-purpose flour. That's about a quarter cup. Then you're going to add in about half that amount, which is about 1/8 of a cup or 26 grams of chickpea flour or besan. And then another 26 grams of rice flour. Same thing, 1/8 of a cup. Rice flour will make your pancake crispy. Then you're going to add all this to your veggies along with salt to taste. Mix everything well and make sure the vegetables are nicely coated with the flour. Now you're going to gradually add water and mix until you get something creamy, almost pancake-like, but you don't want something that runny. Little bit thick is good. Now you're going to heat the oil in a pan or a skillet and take a ladle full of batter. Now when the pancake cooks through on one side, you can see it's a little transparent at the back. You're going to flip it and cook it on the other side. You can always use a fork to keep checking whether it's cooked or not. It should come out clean. You test it the same way as you would do a cake. So you can even make some small slips on top and then add some oil to make it crispy. Once the inside is mostly cooked, we can increase the heat and put some of the oil on top of the pancake to get it nice and crispy. Now your pancake is ready and it's time to prepare our dipping sauce. This is the same one as I would use for my meatless dumplings. In fact, here it is. 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half to 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons of spring onion chopped, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together and then keep it aside until you are ready to eat. And then you will serve both together nice and